I'm Tom Merritt for TechRepublic. Here are my top 5 Google Sheets shortcuts. Lots more folks are using Google Sheets these days to edit things. We use it on the Daily Tech News Show to make our rundowns. And we've taken advantage of some tricks to make that faster over the years. Now, some of these are the same in other programs like Excel, and I'm sure a lot of you know some of them already, but you may not know all of them, especially if you use Sheets for text and not just numbers. So, here are my top 5 Google Sheets shortcuts. Number 1, make a line break in a cell. If you're writing a piece of text and press Enter, it just saves it in the cell. So if you want to make a line break, hold the Alt key while pressing Enter, or on a Mac, the Control key while pressing Return. Coming in at number 2, cut and paste with or without formatting. If you highlight a cell and paste in text, it will preserve the formatting from where it was copied. But if you don't want that to happen, click into the cell first to edit, then paste the text. Then you'll have to hit Enter to save the text, which will inherit the default formatting of the cell it's being pasted into. Up to number 3, freezing a row. It's a good way to make data scannable. You can freeze the row that has the labels of columns, for instance, and then as you scroll through the data, the label row stays at the top, so it's easy to see which column is which. In Google Sheets, when you're in a cell for the row or column that you want to freeze, choose View, then Freeze, and the number of rows or columns you want to freeze. Sliding into number 4, moving rows or columns around. If you want to easily move a row from one place to another, you can drag it with the mouse. Click into the cell of the row number, or the column number, itself. Then let go of the click. Then click again and hold the click down. Keep that click held down. Now, move the mouse and a cursor is going to show up. Put the cursor where you want the row or column to move, and then let go of the mouse button, and it'll move. At number 5, add more than one link to a cell. When you paste a link into a cell, it automatically becomes clickable, but pasting another link will usually just paste over the previous one. If you want more than one link in the cell, click in the cell to edit it, use the Alt-Enter trick to make a new line, then paste the new link, then press Enter. Now that new link may not be clickable, so go back in the cell to edit it, place your cursor at the end of the unlinked URL, then press Enter, and it should now be clickable. Granted, these are more useful for wordy things than number things, but I think that can still prove useful to a lot of you. Hope they help. Hey, there's more where that came from too. Check out our other videos and articles at techrepublic.com. I'll see you there.